Hey everyone, okay, so I have like 9 minutes on my phone where I can actually record something. It's been a while. I haven't really crafted. I mean, like, I've sewn, I've crocheted, I've knitted, I've sculpted with clay, and I've been sewing like a mad woman, and I've been making things for my Etsy shop. And I haven't really had time to craft for myself. And I mean, like, if you look at my Etsy shop, it doesn't look like I did anything. But I totally have. It just doesn't look like I have. But anyways, I'm a one-woman production, so I'm doing it all by myself. Anyways, I decided that since I'm going to be making some doll bedding for my shop, excuse you, Muffin, since I'm going to be making a couple of doll beddings here and there, not like a whole bunch because I don't want to make a whole bunch, but maybe like a couple of things, but I know my mini-me needed a bed. And I'm so jealous because her bed is like totally better than mine. The only thing good on my bed is actually Muffin. So literally her bed is like completely better than mine. So I'm very jealous. But I decided I would go ahead and show you what I've done. So squeaky chair alert. First up, I used a cereal box. This one was like the Cocoa Pebbles or whatever. It doesn't really matter. Because I have a whole bunch of cereal boxes I've been collecting all year. And then I have these from, like, when I get my medicine in the mail, I just have, like, these bubble wraps and everything, and I just cut them down. They're, like, the small ones, so I used 1.5. It's recycled. It's not something that I can use, like, again for shipping, and I've been accumulating this for a couple months, too. And the headboard is, again, another cardboard from another cereal box. I used probably about 3 cereal boxes to make this bed. And for the bed, I'm going to leave this part open, which is the baseboard. I'm going to leave that part open. I've already sewn some trim. I did turn off my hot glue gun because I didn't want it to blow up on me. Because that's happened to me like a couple of times already in the past couple of years, and I don't want that to happen to me again. But anyways, I sewed some trim that's going to go around my bed. And I'm thinking about making... I don't know if you guys can see because the window and the natural sunlight and stuff. Anyways, I'm going to take another piece of this fabric and I'm going to be making, like, you know, like the little pits. Is that what you like call it? It's like a soft headboard. Muffin is seriously judging me right now. But anyways, it's like a soft headboard. I'm going to do that. Too bad I don't have a die cut machine, because if I did, I totally could have done better with that. But all I did was use like some decorative scissors. They're dirty, but whatever. And I used like a little gem. I'm going to end up going over that with some paint. Most likely it's going to be white. And I'm going to go ahead and sew a mattress top for this too. So I'm going to glue these two together once I make the, you know, like the mattress top cover and stuff. And then I'll just like glue it to the bed. Or maybe I won't glue it to the bed. I don't really know yet. Probably will. So yeah, that's basically all that I have going so far, and as for the bedding, I really don't know, but let me show you Muffin. Say hi! Say hi, pretty girl! Love you, Muffins. You're so cute. You're just judging me while I'm talking to mommy self, huh? I'm just talking to myself like a crazy person. Is that what you think? Oh, she just turns her head on me. Love you. Love you. Love you. Say bye. Okay, so I got the back of the baseboard done. I did this waffly textured quilted puffy looking thing. Anyways, it's just fleece, and it's the same fabric that I used for the mattress cover. And I'm just going to glue it right there. And yeah, this is what it looked like on the back. So yeah, I think it's cute. I think it's gonna look good, especially when I paint this a color. I'm thinking I'm gonna paint it cream. I know I bought some cream paint, but I don't know where the heck I put it at, so I'm probably gonna have to like make up my own cream paint to paint it. And I still got to glue on the sides. I'm not even gonna really paint the sides because I'm just gonna glue down that fabric. And this, I decided that I am gonna glue down the mattress too, so all that I really have to paint is the headboard. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, so I'm currently painting the headboard again because I didn't like what happened before. So I repainted it this color again. This paint is from Hobby Lobby. It is the Anita's all-purpose metallic craft paint in the color metallic Yes, metallic copper rose. And it's so pretty. It looks like a brand new penny kind of color. It's very beautiful. And what I'm going to do, because I'm trying to give it a deep crackle finish on this, and I don't have the crackle paint thingy. It's a medium. I don't have it. So I know this technique works because it was working really good a while ago. It's just they were too little and not defined, and I'm gonna do it in smaller coats this time. And all I used was just regular school glue. I mean, like, you totally could just use Elmer's if you had it, but I don't. I just have this cheap Crazy Art washable school glue. You can get some from Dollar Tree. And after, okay, so first you do your base coat. Most people would do black or like a dark brown. I'm not doing that. I'm doing the copper rose. And then once this dry completely, then I'm going to add a thick, maybe it's a thick layer to make deeper cracks. I'm going to add a thick layer for this part, but I'm going to do it in small doses just so it can crack better, because you have to leave it tacky in order to add your top coat. And my top coat's going to be this Snow White because I just like white. I mean, like, I love white furniture. I think it's so beautiful, and it most likely will never happen for me because I'm super messy, so I probably will never have like a super white bed. So okay, I don't know if you can see it or not. Okay, you see it's starting to crack, which is nice. It's not super defining or anything, but it's starting to crack, which is nice. It's what I wanted. I'm gonna have to redo this part over here because it's like a really big mess, and like I'm gonna have to like wash this part off once it completely dries. But I mean, other than that, it's looking pretty good. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm gonna turn the light off so you guys can see the cracking. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh man, I don't think you can see it. Let me open the window, see if you can see it. Can you see it? Look at the beautiful cracking! I love it! Ah! Okay, I need to fix up that. But it's so cute, right? So this bedding is actually in my shop. You get the super comfortable blanket, and it's like a comforter. I mean, like, it's super soft. And you get not one, but 5 pillows. This one has a lace detailing, and these are double-sided, so if you wanted blue on blue, you totally could do blue on blue. And these ones are awful flippy too, so you could do floral. So either way, I mean, like, yeah, I mean, it's cute, right? So this is actually in my shop. The bedding is, but not the bed itself. So I need to make mini-me a bed, well, bedding for my bed. It's so cute, and I'm probably going to make the exact same bedding as this one just because I love it so much. So yeah, it's super cute. I will link my Etsy down below. Bye!